Hi everyone! In this video, we will find the inverse property of multiplication. Find the multiplicative inverse of -3 and 7/10. To find the multiplicative inverse, this means we are looking for the reciprocal. The reciprocal means we take the numerator and place it in the denominator, and the denominator and place it in the numerator. However, in this case, we have a decimal, so we need to change it to a fraction first so we can switch the numerator and denominator. We can do that by the proper name of this decimal is 7/10. So -3 and 7/10 can be written as -3 and 7/10. Now we can change this to an improper fraction by going in a clockwise circle and multiplying and then adding. So we have 10 times 3, which is 30, plus 7 gives us 37/10, and we still have our sign as being negative. So now we've rewritten our decimal as a fraction, -37/10, and now we can change this into the reciprocal. The reciprocal of -37/10 takes the denominator and makes it the numerator, and takes the numerator and makes it the denominator. And the sign stays the same. As it is negative here, it will be negative here. To double check to make sure that we did correctly find the multiplicative inverse, or the reciprocal, we can take the original, -37/10, and multiply it by the reciprocal, or the multiplicative inverse, -10/37, and check to see if we get the multiplicative identity of +1. We can go ahead and simplify before we multiply. 37 divided by 37 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. -1 times -1 is +1. 1 times 1 is also +1. And 1 divided by 1 is +1, which is the multiplicative identity, which means that our reciprocal, or the multiplicative inverse of -10/37, is correct. And we're all done.